little bit off-road. Okay, Nolka, hold on. Oh, whoa. It's... The place is beautiful. Ready for fun, Nolka, for adventure? Let's start the new adventure in the new place. The place is just beautiful. Hey, Wielka. Wow. The problem is I don't want to sit in the sun. I love to sit in the shadow and fly. And try to get there. We will prepare our drone. Our Avata. It's kind scratchy everywhere, but it's good to have some paint like yellow on it, so it's easy to find when you crash. I hope we will not crash today, this time, because now we don't have any time for crash, Nolka, right? Okay, let's prepare whole stuff and see you up in the sky.